So today we are gonna input a number and check whether it's positive or negative or zero. Right? It's a very easy question. Positive, negative or zero. We know as humans whether those numbers are positive input or positive, negative or zero. But computers do not know that. So we'll just check them by our program in which we are gonna write the program in C. Right? So let's start as usual. C. We write include studio dot h stdio, right? Standard input output. This is a class, right? So we are gonna write int main. This is our main function. Here we'll do the coding, right? So we're gonna declare the number int. We're gonna say that as n, right? So we told the computer there is a number which will, this is a variable n, and in this variable we are gonna store a number of type int, right? We have studied about this. So this we took the input. Now what we are gonna do? It's very easy. We're gonna first printf enter a number, semicolon at the end always. Okay, so how it's gonna look like on the output screen? My handwriting is not that bad, not that good. So on the output screen a message will be gone like enter a number. If we use this, here it will be like this, and then we'll do scanf, then this percentage d is used for inputting numbers. Okay, right, int type integers, and we use it for telling the address of n. So we tell address of n. So we got a number in this percentage d which will be coming from here and will be stored in n, right? Right, easy. So we did it. Then we took an input like if this will be input, right? On the output screen what the user will enter after this, here he will enter like for minus 45. He expects the answer to be negative, right? How we are gonna do that is, now we are gonna do that. So right, let's start. How do we know if the number is positive, negative or zero? We can simply compare it to zero, right? If the number is greater than zero, it will be positive, right? Numbers, if we check it on number line, zero, this will be minus infinity, this will be plus infinity, right? The numbers which will be greater than zero will be always positive, and the numbers which will be less than zero will be always negative. Basic maths, right? Easy. So we'll go just check if is a conditional statement. If n, the number, is greater than 0, easy, we just close the braces. If the number is greater than 0, if n greater than 0, what we are gonna do is printf. You can write it printf in the next line here because there is no semicolon at the end of the if statement. Okay, so printf positive, easy. Else if, so we what is the if statement? If, we can simply use it like this. We can use else if, and then we can use else statement. This is the syntax of if, else, if, else. Right? Very easy. Nothing rocket science. So, if n is greater than 0, it's positive. Likewise, if the n is less than 0, if n less than 0, we write printf negative. Right? We can do if or we can do else if, like I was telling. If we do if, then it will after we do else if, मतलब यहाँ पे अगर if करें else if करें फिर तो मतलब इस पे गया, अगर ये ट्रू हो गया तो else if पे जाएगा ही नहीं, चेक ही नहीं करेगा. लेकिन अगर दोबारा if करेंगे if और फिर if, तो ये अलग अलग दो if हो गए. ठीक है, तो ये वाला भी चेक करेगा, ये वाला भी चेक करेगा. राइट, लेकिन दोनों में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. राइट, we can do it like this also, like that also. It's very simple. If n is greater than 0, printf positive. If n is less than 0, printf negative. Right? We can say now else, or we can say again if n equal to. Note that it is double equal to. It's not equal to, because equal to is assignment operator. Double equal to is conditional operator. So it is checking conditional. It will give result in boolean, true or false. Okay. If it is like number is -45, it's equal to 0. If we'll check, the answer will be false. So if false, then the whatever next comes, it will not be executed. Right. So if n equal to 0, print f 0. Easy. How we could write it like these three statements? We could have written it like this also. If n greater than 0, printf positive, else if n less than 0, printf negative, else. Like when it is not this side, then this will be here only. Like 0 से बड़ा भी नहीं है, 0 से छोटा भी नहीं है, और एक नंबर है तो वो 0 ही होगा. Else नहीं तो अगर ये भी नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है, तो फिर अभी कोई कंडीशन डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. else में कोई कंडीशन नहीं चलता है. printf 0 ऐसे भी लिख सकते थे. It is really easy, right? This is the whole program of printing. If it is greater than 0, less than 0, or equal to 0. Easy. Easy peasy. So we could end it like, sometimes we need to write this statement written 0 at the end of the code. It's up to your compiler, right? Because we say IIT main. So it is very easy. Now what will happen? Let's say we give out we check in output. Okay, enter a number. The program, how it is getting executed. Enter a number. First of all, a number. Arey yaar, why do I do this? Okay, enter a number is printed here. Then a number is entered. Let's say we write it as 0. Then the statements are getting executed. If n is greater than 0, n has value of 0. It is greater than 0, false. Then this is not gonna execute. It will go to next if. If n is less than 0, is it less than 0? No. Then it's not negative also. This is also not gonna be executed. Then we'll check if n equal to 0. Yes, it is equal to 0. Printf 0. Output is gonna be 0. Return 0. End of statement. This is the C program that we were gonna study for today.
तो दोस्तों वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा कमेंट कीजिए और लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.
आइए अपना